Okay, so for right now, these are the items that I know I'm gonna need. I haven't opened, I've never tie-dye anything, so I don't know what else I might need. For right now, I just have these three like men's tank tops in a size small. I have some black safety pins and just some regular silver safety pins. And then I have this tie-dye kit from Michaels. It has pretty much every color, a lot of colors. So yeah, this is the kit I'll be using to tie-dye. Try the shirt on and I measured how long I wanted it to be by using my hand. So I'm gonna lay this out flat. See where my hand stops, which is about right here. And I'm just going to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Okie dokie. So first things first is that to put on some gloves because we don't want to dry our hands or our nails. Okay, so I'm gonna do each shirt differently, of course, so that you guys can see like some different ways you can tie dye and use the pins. So like I said, I've never done this before. So yeah. So these are the rubber bands it came with. So we're just gonna like wrap it up and tie it. Now that I have tied the shirts in random patterns, these two are very random. This one is pretty like standard, I guess. I don't know. I've never done this, but yeah. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to like brainstorm what colors I want to use with which shirts. So yeah, after I do that, I'm just gonna fill it with water up to this line right here and start dyeing. So these are the colors that I'm going to use with each shirt. So now I'm going to fill each bottle with water. Alright, so now I will actually be applying the tie-dye. I am quite nervous, but quite excited. So I am just going to go right in. okie. So fast forward to the night before. I already like washed the shirts, and they obviously did not come out like how I wanted them to, but they're still pretty decent, I guess. I just feel like it's not really like tie-dye. I don't know, I guess it is, but I was just expecting a little bit more pizzazz. But yeah, I'm just gonna take all the rubber bands off and see how they turned out. I'm not too sure what happened on the back of here. I don't really know what happened there, but it's whatever. At least it's on the back. And then I'm not too sure what happened right here. But I mean, I can cut it and like cover it with the safety pins. So I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, so initially I was gonna use the black safety pins on this shirt, but I think I'm gonna do it on the rainbow shirt because that'll just be like a lot cuter. So yeah, I'm just going to time lapse me actually applying all of these safety pins, because if I don't time lapse it, it'll be like 40 hours long and nobody has time for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all how I randomly place the safety pins on the shirt. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful and inspiring. If you create a shirt with the techniques and you know, ideas or style or whatever that I showed you in this video, please tag me. All of my social media handles are in the description. I honestly think that it could have been done better. It was my first time tie-dyeing, so maybe if you're like more experienced with tie-dyeing, then it'll come out better. But I still like what I came, except for that second shirt. That was a no. I'm not gonna wear that. But this one and the pink one, I really like. Yeah, stay blessed, guys, and stay sweet and stay safe. I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.